Good day! Join me to unbox my first BTS Army Bomb Light Stick. This is Mott's SE or Map of the Soul Special Edition. To be honest, ayoko talaga bumili nito because my goal is to have this sa mismong concert ng BTS ako bibili. Obvious naman kasi I have BTS album na. So, hindi dahilan na I can't afford to buy it. I see Namjoon photo card here. I think this is previous. So, ayun nga. But this year, the opportunity came to me. Or right now. And sinanong ako para tumanggap. So, I brought it to K-pop Merch Official in Orange Shop. Trusted shop ko siya kaya medyo niingat ko yung pagbubukas kasi ang hirap niya. And oh my god, this is so pretty. The box is already pretty. And then, here's the freebies. Namjoon photo card. Yan. Diba yata siya sa And then, yan. Ang ganda ng box. Sa box pa lang. Hype na yung nakalagay. Ang alam ko kasi dati nakalagay dito. Yan. So, let's open it. Yan. Tatanggalin ko dapat yung sticker but I decided na not i-cutter na lang kasi parang I'm scared na masira yung box. Use cutter. I'm so sorry. Ang hirap niya talaga buksan. Nahihirapan ako sa box. Hindi ko gusto na sirain yan or hindi appropriate sa akin yung buksan siya. Pero to be honest, it's really tough. Tough. Oh my god, oh my god. And here it is. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Ang ganda niya. Map of the Soul. And then logo and army. Mabigat siya sa head. Tapos magaang yung katawan niya. And then the inclusion is here in the box. So photo cards and then yung back. Pouch bag. BTS tapos special edition sa likod niya ARMY and then yung strap may nakalagay siya kulay gray, akala ko itim siya, BTS and then ARMY sa likod. And then let's go with the photo card. Ang gwapo ni Namjoon. He's so pretty. Oh my god, look at him. Look at that. So cheap. The worldwide handsome. Okay. Nagre-reflect talaga yung ilaw. And then, J.O. nakalagay logo ng BTS Pakisol nila. And then, let's go with the wala nang inclusion. This is manual user guide. Or like nasunod sa iba't ibang language. Pero hindi ko siya exactly na manual. Alam ko naman kung paano siya. Then, in Lightspeed, hindi ko na matigas. Then, napapansin sa loob sa pala ng logo. So, 3 siya guys. Kaya, ganap ako ng plugin sa bahay namin. Tinagot ako, umilaw agad siya. Pagkalagay ko ng nakabukas pala siya. Ayan, nakabukas siya. Second pala yan. Yung third. Kapag nakatag-configure ka na. Then, mamamatay ka pag hindi yan kapag repair. So, let's go to the third. So, using other phones, I film other phones. So, I download called BTS Lightstick Fish. I don't know. And then pinuksan ko siya and then Army Bomb SE. Then I pair it with Bluetooth. Akala ko hindi ako mag-pair. Na kulay. Let's maintain the purple. Tapos, meron ditong function yung ano na blackout. Pwede mo siyang pindot-pindutin. Tapos, mag-blink-blink yung Army Bomb. Yung blackout. Ayan. Ayan. So, yun. Napakaganda niya.